Welcome to my YouTube channel. Have blessed day to all po. Ako po si Teacher Jonah.
Mahal mo ang isang tao, gaano man kalayo yan sa'yo. Kakayanin mo. Hindi man kayo madalas magkita o magkasama, titiisin mo. Dahil ang pag-ibig ay hindi nakikita sa layo o lapit, kundi sa puso at pagtitiwala.
What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'll be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, and it's up to me. No one can save